Okay, so I connected an iPhone, it's visible here, to a Microsoft operating system. It's Windows 10, and Windows is installing the drivers that are necessary to access the contents of the phone. The phone is here in File Explorer. The device is ready, so let's go to Apple iPhone, internal storage. This has no microSD card. Inside these folders, and that's the content. I just sorted it by type. Let's sort it by size. Okay, and I can see the videos that are here, but I'm searching for a larger video, which is a 4K video, and it has a few gigabytes. This is only 144 megabytes. Okay, so I cannot see one single large video file inside the phone, inside this iPhone. To solve this problem, we need this program iTunes. I need to download that and install it, and after iTunes is installed on the computer, then you can go to the same path, sort it by size. Okay, and voila, there's the large file, 5 gigabytes. That's because iTunes was installed. So we need this iTunes program on Apple software on the Microsoft operating system, and then it is visible. All the files are visible. Okay, here's another example. This is inside Windows 7. The same thing is here. Apple iPhone is visible, and at the same path, if we sort it by size, all the files are visible except the largest file. So we need to install iTunes here also. Okay, and after iTunes was installed, let's check File Explorer once again. We need to agree to these windows. Agree again on iTunes. After that, the iPhone just showed up. It's here. It has a name also. Okay, and let's go back to the internal storage, DCIM, and sort the list by size, and voila, there's the 4K video, which is 5 gigabytes in size. So to access all the files, you just need to install iTunes, and that will allow it. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.